One thing I like the most is actually the tooth making, because the tooth is actually made from plaster and we don't really get to experience that in our schools. Through this workshop, we as students get to try out different stuff, which is very beneficial.
I find this event very insightful and fun. I learned quite a lot from all the different courses. They were very interesting. Yeah. Each of them has its own specialty, which I find really fun to learn.
I really hope that IMU can organize more events like this, as it is very good for other students to understand and know more about the courses in the school.